tatay happy birthday? Not yet. Okay, let's eat muna.
In front of the big. Show the food.
Wow.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
Love you don't know.
Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, high.
Nga po.
2, 1,
Kami
2,
lang
3.
naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What the heck, bro?
Pa ganito. Nag-wish ka muna.
Para magkaroon ng maraming pera.
Okay. Okay guys, we are here at our room. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung CR. So, ito yung pintuan. Pagpasok mo, ito yung view. I'm gonna go to the CR first. There's a bathtub. That's the CR. That's me. The toilet. So, yan lang siya actually. That's the toilet over there. And then when you go here, there's cabinet. Says J Park Highland. May patubig. There's a small mini ref. And there's a mirror here again. That's me. There's a small TV. There's a 2-bed. There is. Here's the birthday boy. And then this is our view. How to open this? This is our view from our room. Oh my. There. That's their pool, guys. There. And there's the beach. There. Kung makakapunta kami doon later, better. And there's the pool. You can swim. There. Actually, marami pa siyang pool. Meron pa doon. Doon. So, that's it. There's the view. Bye.